Let's go through the rest of these real quick, see if anything else is going. See how these are turning it? Same thing. See how these are small? Not much volume in here. I put it in here though because it had such a large amount of volume to get to here that later in the day it could pop. Later in the day that could pop. Right now, trash. Same thing. JG right now, trash. Not enough volume. Look at the candles. See how they're little dinky lines? They're nothing. They're just dashes. Dashes are crap. Now, once people jump in or jump out, that's when you start to see Tupperware gets long candles again. But again, wait till it starts making that, right? Nothing happening over here on this WISA. ATHX, same thing. So ATHX, even though it has tons of volume in here, nobody's buying and selling right now. Look at the candles on ATHX. You see how they're baby candles? They're not, there's no movement. They're starting to create all these little dashes. See the dash lines? Look at little dots.